Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll all the way down. Click on Apps section over here and select Default Apps. Finally, click on one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case Browser app, and tap on your downloaded one in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!